6, one more. Oh, that was ugly. Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm gonna be taking you through today's workout. Today we have an upper body or chest and back banded workout. So we are going to be using resistance bands. We have 4 different exercises. A couple of them are gonna be supersets, so really crush that chest and that back. And then we're gonna finish off the smaller muscles, the triceps and the biceps, with a little bit of kickbacks and some curls. So let's not waste any more time and let's get going. All right. For this, I'm using the purple band for the chest presses. You use whatever you need to use. I'm gonna try to do for 15 repetitions, and then I'm gonna flip over and do some push-ups, all right? So let's get going. Let's get on the ground. Grab those bands, put it behind you, and we're going for 15 reps. Nice and control all the way through. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Control the weight in the negative. That's 8 reps. We got 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, control it, 7. All right, flip on over and give me push-ups. Ready? As many as we can. 1, 2, 3, 10. It's amazing how difficult it is to do push-ups once the chest is pre-tired a little bit. All right, we'll take about a 30-second break. We're gonna repeat that 2 more times before we move on to the triceps. Nice and easy. So that's today's workout. Like I said, only need a set of bands. If you're traveling or whatever you're doing, these are easy to pack away with you. I take them all the time when I do a little bit of traveling. Take my bands with me, throw them in my bag. Usually I just bring a duffel bag. So these are short little trips. Anyway, set number 2. I'm using the same resistance. Purple band was plenty. Get that behind me, lay back, and let's go for 15 reps. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 15. Control on the way down. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 and 2. Flip on over for those push-ups. 10 is going to be difficult. Do the best push-up that you can, as many as you can. Ready? And let's go. 1. Oh yeah, 10's not happening. 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 1 more of it. 6. Whew. Wow. Yeah, chest is gonna be pretty fried. Let's take about 30 seconds or so. We're going for the 3rd, thankfully final superset. I'm feeling pretty good. How you guys doing? We have another 15 seconds or so. Catch your breath like I'm trying to do right now. Grab a little bit of water if you need to, and we'll get moving. All right, it's been about 30 seconds. Let's do one final set. Grab that band, get down on the ground, and let's go. Sit back, lay back. 3, 2, 1, and push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Okay, let's pray for 5 push-ups this time around. Ready? And give me push-ups. Nice and control. 1, 2, 3. Got 2 more. 1 and 2. Whew. Never had 5 push-ups be so difficult. All right, we are done with the chest. Now we're gonna finish ourselves off. Since obviously when we pushing movement, working the tricep. So we're gonna work a little tricep with some kickbacks. These work actually much better with bends than they do with dumbbells, because if you use a dumbbell, there is no resistance here until you bring your arm back. With a band, especially if you choke up on it a little bit, which I will over here, there's resistance from the very beginning of the movement to the very end of the movement. So bends or cables, if you have a cable machine, work really well for this. All right, I'm gonna try for 15 repetitions per arm. And we're just gonna go back and forth. Since one arm is being worked at once, we have time to rest. A little bit of resistance on that band. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. Keep that elbow as still as possible. 3, 4, 5. Control the negative. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Switch arms. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2. Shake the other one out. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, squeeze out one more. And 5. Wow. And let's go left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't know if I want to be able to make these. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 more. Oh, that was ugly. 7. Switch arms. Let's go. Good effort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. Whew. Well, that burned. Wow. Yeah, definitely gonna feel that tomorrow. Feel it already. Gonna feel it more tomorrow. Upright rows coming up next. For this, once again, I'm gonna use the purple band. This set also comes with a green band. I have no use for it today. Sorry, I mostly use the green band if I'm doing legs, squats of some sort. Otherwise, it's just too heavy for me. So purple on the upright rows. We're going for 10 repetitions, and let me set this up for the upright row. And we're going to do a version of a seated row using the black band over here. And once again, we're going to superset this, so one right after the other. We're going for 10 reps on the double upright row to 15 repetitions on each side for the seated row. You guys ready to go? Let's stand on this. Try to lock in your back, good form. Head straight, looking 5 feet ahead of you, and let's go for 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's do this I'm gonna just kneel down here and let's go. 1, get good extension. 2, 3, as much as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Switch sides. I don't have a lot of room, as far as back as I can go. Let's go for 15. 1, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, control that bend. 3, 4, and 5. And now we relax for about 30 seconds. And we're going to go through this entire thing 2 more times. And when we're done with that, we're going to finish off with some curls. Got to get those guns. You're already working the arms when you're doing back exercises. You work at the bicep. When you're doing a chest exercise, you work in the tricep. So these are just more small, helpful, isolated movements just to finish off. Let's go in about 10 seconds. Give me upright rows. Give me 10 repetitions. And then give me 15 of the seated or kneeling down ones. You guys ready to go? On 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 10. 1, 2, 3. Get those elbows back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pull up. And 10. And immediately switch to the kneeling ones. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. And switch sides. Don't waste time. 5 on the other side. 15 on the other side. That's 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 5 more. Ready? 3, 4, and pull. 5. There we go. All right, it's like another 30-second break or so, and we move to set number 3, last and final set. Guys, how you guys doing? How's the pump? Mine is pretty good. Feel good. Whew. If you're new here, guys, welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. If you lasted this long, I know you're gonna make it to the rest of the workout, so I'm not worried about you. If you feel like subscribing, please do so. If you don't, you know what? Come back and work out with me every Monday and every Thursday, whenever you have a little bit of time. Whew. All right, 10 seconds or so. Let's get going for the 3rd and final set. All right, here we go. For the last time, Mr. Purple Band. Let's go. Stand up, get a good stretch. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. All right. And kneel down, don't fall over. Good posture. 1, get those elbows back. 2, that's 5, 6, 7, good extension, and pull back. 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Switch sides. Keep the same tension on the bend, and let's go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last one. Squeeze them back. All right. Well, that takes care of those exercises. Now we have a little bit of hammer curling left. Like I said, gotta work those guns. I'm gonna use the same black band that I use for these back rows. I believe I stood on it like so. Give myself a little space. I'm just gonna curl up and down. 12 repetitions, 3 sets. Remember, control the movement at all times. Up quick, down like on a 2 or 3 count. Up quick, down on a 2 or 3 count, all right? Get that negative going, guys. Make sure you control the movement. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. 9, 10. Squeeze 1 and squeeze 2. And that's set number 1, and we have 2 more sets left of the same movement for this, like I said, leg bend. And once again, if you want to see the link, you want to get yourself a pair of these bands. I have 2 pairs of each. Today I'm just using 1. So I have 2 pairs. They're about $25 per set of 4. I have 2 pairs. Like I said, sometimes I use them in my garage. I don't have a cable machine, so I use them as a cable machine. They come in handy. You can use them to do extra resistance work. You can do some push-ups if your push-ups are too easy. Just wrap the band around your back and do a push-up with that resistance. They help out, and as I mentioned before, great for traveling. All right, that was set number 1. Let's get ready for Mr. Set number 2. I'm gonna choke up a little bit more, make it a little more difficult, and we're going for 12. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. There we go. 1. Good bird. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 more. 1, 2. No rush. 3, 4. Last one. And 5. Whew. 1 more set left, guys, and we are done. So this workout is about what? It's gonna be about 20 minutes or so, a little bit less maybe, right around there. Nice upper body workout. I know we didn't hit the shoulders today, but chest and back. Shoulders got a little bit of work too on the rows. So your rear delts got a little bit of work on the rows, especially the ones when we're sitting up. Because with the band, you can't really bend down far enough because there's no resistance here. So we're standing up, hit everything up here. We're feeling good. All right. Last set, let's make it a good one. Choke up. Ready? 12 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. Come on. 1, 2, slow. 3, and slow, hold it. Now there is no resistance, so you might as well let go. Here we go. That was it, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50 for our banded upper body workout. I had a great time. I have a pretty good pump going. I feel good. I hope you feel good. Don't forget to come back Mondays and Thursdays, guys, and I'll see you then.